Hello friends, it's AjiseGraphik here again. Today I'm going to be teaching us how to install fonts on our Pixellab app for easy usage. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your browser. So I'm going to be using Chrome. I'm going to go to my Chrome browser. Then once you get to your Chrome, you're going to click on dafonts.com. Are you seeing that? Dafonts.com. That's what you click on. That's what you type rather. That font. So once you tap on this, it brings it out. So that font, can you see it? That font is absolutely free. So you just tap on it. Here you can search for your font, any font that you want. And you see, but we're just going to be downloading the ones that they gave us here for that is shown here. Okay, so you just click on download here. You just click on download I am space here. Once you click on it, it will load. So once you downloaded your font does not automatically enters your Pixellab app. You have to okay. So you have to extract it. So your font comes with a zip file. Are you seeing that? So you have to unzip it using, there are two apps that you can use to unzip it. One, probably it comes with your phone, and the second one you have to download it from Play Store. So the second one is AjiseGraphik. The first one is files. I'll show you, don't worry. So we're going to download this now. Download. So now file downloaded. So the next thing you have to do is to go to your AjiseGraphik app. Let's go to your AjiseGraphik app. So once you get here, now you have a file where, but we downloaded it, so it's on download. So you just click on download. Then the name of the font, oh god, what's the name of the font? Let me quickly check it. Oh, it's cleared. That's fine. I will find it. I'll have to search for it carefully. Also, so once you get to your AjiseGraphik, you just search for the font you just downloaded, the particular font you just downloaded. So okay, let's copy. So that's what you just tap on it, then to pop up showing you view extract here or extract to. And so you can just click on extract here. So once you extract here, that means you are actually extracting it to download file. Take note of that. So you just click on extract here. Then you can, okay, it's showing me that some files exist. I will just click on replace and replace. Okay, so it has been decompressed. So once it's decompressed, once it has been extracted, it will show you everything that was zipped before. Now it has been unzipped. So these three stuff, let's copy JPEG, let's copy OTF, let's copy TTF. So this is for the AjiseGraphik. So let me show you how to install it and extract it using your Files Go app. Okay, so this is it here. So this one in your Files Go download. So let's tap on, once you tap on it, you can see extract. You extract it, and so done. So then you can, okay, now it has shown the same TTF. So once you are done with that, then you can go to your Pixellab app. Go to your Pixellab app. Then you just go to your text and type in something. Then you go to your font. Then you go to my fonts here, my font at the top here. And click on this icon. You have two of this icon. You can use any of the two, but I'm going to be using one here, the first one. So this arrow up here is to go back. Are you seeing that? So once I'm at storage, I'll just scroll down to where my download is. Then once I tap on this my download, I'll just scroll up a little bit till I find the font. Okay, let's copy. So I found it. So I'll just click on this box here. Once it's showing check mark, then I'll just click on add selected. Then once that is done, next thing I'll just click on this search icon and search bar. Then let's, so that is it. This is the font. So that's it. I just done. Then you click on, you can use your font. Okay, so you can download and install your font on Pixellab very easy. So that's how to download and install your fonts into Pixellab. So you can download as many as you want from dafonts.com. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and comment. Thank you, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.